Hello there. Every so often, especially after you get a new computer, you might need to set it up to be able to connect to an Oracle database. So here I've added a new connection to an Oracle database, and it gives this error message. It says cannot connect to the database because the database client software failed to load. Okay, let's cancel on that one. Close ArcGIS Pro. And let's try to fix the problem. So what you need is an Oracle client. Here I have an Oracle Instant Client, version 19 and above, and I've unzipped it, and if you open it, you'll see a bunch of files, but there's no installation file. So how can you install this? Let's go through the process. First, you may have to be an administrator, of course, on this computer. I'm going to go to my C drive, and I'm going to create a new folder. So where's the new folder? I'm going to call it Oracle. And open it. Now we're going to go to the other library called Instant Client. And all I'm going to do is copy it and paste it to that location. So where's the paste here? Up here. Getting used to the new UI. And now we have moved the files to a new location. But how does the system know about it? So you have to tell the system about this location. And what you have to type in the Windows Start is this ugly string, which is edit the system environment variables, and click on that one. And now that you click on that one, you can click on environment variables, and you should be able to see the bottom portion, which is called the system variables editable. If you don't type the string I provided before, which is edit the system environment variables, what you'll see is that you can edit the top portion, but not the bottom portion. This means that only Amir can connect to an Oracle database, but if somebody else comes, or if the ArcGIS server tries to connect, they wouldn't be able to connect because they wouldn't know about it. Now, what we're going to do is look for the path variable, and we have one also in the system, and we want to add the path of that instant client in here. So before we do that, let's go to that location and just copy the path. So I'll copy this path here, and now we go to the path variable under system, edit, and we're going to add a new entry here and paste that C Oracle Instant Client path. Press OK, and OK, and another OK. Great, 3 OKs. Hopefully everything is going to be okay now. Now we're going to launch ArcGIS Pro again, and I already have a connection that broke, so it should now be able to pick it up. And I did make the mistake before of updating the user path in environment variable, and because of that I could connect to the Oracle, but then when I published the data to ArcGIS server, which is on the same machine, in my case, it wasn't able to connect to the database because it's connecting under another user, right? So let's look if we can connect now. The first indication will be that actually the layers will draw. But the second indication is that we can just open this connection and it's going to work. So as you can see the data here, and the data can be drawn. So now our connection works. We can access the data like we would be able to do against any other geodatabase. I hope this video helps you. I know it's going to help me next time I'm going to get a new computer. Hopefully Windows is not going to change so much that I won't be able to do it by then. Bye-bye.